What is good, YouTube, man? It's the Hemi Twins back here with another video, and today, man, we got another mod for y'all boy, man. Another mod, man. This mod truly bring out the Chargers and Challengers, any type of car, really. Like, this is an attention grabber, man. If y'all really like this mod, y'all need to get it for your car ASAP, man. But yeah, shout out to 𝐻𝐻𝐼𝐾 Lighting. 𝐻𝐻𝐼𝐾 Lighting is our very first sponsorship. They gave us the lights and whatnot, and we absolutely like it, man. Use our code TWINS, TWINZ10, to save 10% off on your next purchase, man. But yeah, man, we went with the color changing headlights for our Dodge Charger, man. And this is how it looks. This is crazy, man. We had these lights in for like two to 3 days now, and it's crazy, man. We get so much attention with these lights, and yeah, man, we really like it. Like, this was one of the mods really that we was trying to get at first, but you know, you gotta do the basics, like the muffler delete and that first, you know. Yeah, man, 𝐻𝐻𝐼𝐾 Lighting got underglow headlights for any car, Mustangs, Chargers, Challengers, Camaros, trucks, you name it, man. They got underglow interior, glow, all type of stuff, man. So y'all go ahead and hit that link down below and visit, man. Yeah, man, y'all boy visit 𝐻𝐻𝐼𝐾 Lighting, man. Let us know in the comment section, do y'all really like this mod, man? Like, does it fit the Scat? You feel what I'm saying, man? But yeah, let us know in the comment section if y'all like it. I'm gonna give y'all some nighttime clips of how it look at night, and yeah, man, let's get this video to 30+ likes. Let us know, man. Let us know in the comment section, man. But that's gonna wrap it up for the intro. Now let's move it to nighttime.